Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Storing onions in the fridge can make them spoil faster. The moisture inside turns them soft and moldy, while cold temperatures change their starches to sugars, altering taste and texture. Instead, keep onions in a mesh bag or basket in a cool, dark, and well-ventilated spot outside the fridge to stay fresh longer.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.